Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the term used for teaching machines to perform human tasks. They are equipped with human-like intelligence and the ability to expand their capabilities as they come across new information. While I know this sounds intimidating, the technology has huge advantages in the world of content creation. AI article writing is a great way to use these developments to create high-quality written content for online publishing. AI writers can help to generate content that is consistent, accurate, and requires fewer resources than if you wrote it manually. Not only does it save time, but it also ensures quality delivery of content. This means businesses can publish their written work quickly with minimal efforts. Instead of spending hours editing, writing, and updating your own work, AI article writing will do it all for you in no time. These systems have been designed to make our lives easier, and this article will show you how they do exactly that as we take a look at the different ways you could use an AI writer. Many AI writers are now being programmed to generate ideas based on the context that you provide. Incorporating these tools into your content marketing strategy can have huge benefits for many small businesses. It eliminates the struggle of writer's block, helps to think outside the box, and offers new suggestions that you may not have otherwise thought of. Certain platforms offer incredibly fast automation with the click of a button. Struggling to think of subheadings for your latest article, or not much of a Twitter junkie? Whether it's long-form content or short-form copy, I guarantee that you will be able to find a tool to help with your marketing idea generation. Use an AI writer to suggest talking points, provide video ideas, show idea points, suggest startup ideas, come up with brand names, generate marketing ideas. Marketing copy specifically refers to the short, persuasive content that is written to spark interest and encourage viewers to perform an action, such as buying a product or signing up for a service. It often comes across as a strong sales pitch, containing a clear call to action, if not multiple. We all know how difficult it can be to consistently generate quality content on demand, but we also know that constant creation leads to better exposure. The more keywords you can rank for, the higher the traffic, which is the lifeline of every company that conducts business online. Luckily, AI writers can help alleviate this by assisting with marketing copy. If you're struggling to generate ideas, or simply need help bringing your ideas to life, AI has the ability to do it all. With their advanced learning programs, they are well equipped to breach whatever gap you are facing. You can use an AI writer for anything from personalizing email campaigns to creating landing pages and product descriptions. Use an AI writer to offer engaging questions, provide SEO meta descriptions, create Google and Facebook ads, offer tweet generation, create sales emails, suggest slogans, generate photo captions. Thanks for watching, and if you find anything useful in this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons as it helps making the channel grow. I've added a couple of links in the description to get you started ASAP with AI and blog writing. See you in the next one.